Hi everyone, thank you again for stopping back by my channel. This is Simply Kiwi. This is another DIY beginner video for decals using Dollar Tree stencils. If you're interested, please stay tuned. This is the gradient that I did for my base, and these are the following items that I will be including in this video. I love this Color Club Enchanted. It is so beautiful. And the finger paint Solar Flare. These are the two that I use for the gradient, and I use this Cosmic Chaos to do the decal. These are the actual stencils that I did find from Dollar Tree, and I do have a video up about that. These are the paparazzi glitters that I had in a set. I also have a video on that. Here I'm applying the stencil to a mat that I got from eBay. Moon Baby Nails showed me her video where she uses these mats, and I love them. I can't believe I've gone this far without them. So here I am applying the Cosmic Chaos to the stencil, and I'm applying that generously. Wanted to get in each of the crooks and crannies. This is I'm taking this off just a little bit. It's still a little bit wet once I take the stencil off. I do let it dry completely, and then I go back over it with a clear top coat. I'm going over it very generously because I want to be able to have it thick enough to where I'm able to manipulate the decal a little bit or move it without it simply tearing on me. So that's why you see me going back and forth in different angles to apply the clear top coat. And you want to do enough of the decals so that if you do happen to tear them or they fold into each other, that you do have extras on hand. Because that's what happened to me in this particular, I didn't show it, but one of them just folded it within itself and I couldn't use it. As you can see here, I'm cutting this into strips so that I can kind of apply it to my nail, but I'm putting it on a stamper head. That way I can manipulate a little bit better. This is the completed gradient with the Enchanted Color Club color and also the Solar Flare color. I didn't show that in this video. I did apply the Pro FX clear top coat, and then I also applied Yellow Stopper, which is so it can give me a more tacky finish when I start applying my decal. These are some foils from SheModern that I did win, and I got in a drawing and I did win. I don't use them very much, so I wanted to incorporate that into this video. Here, I put this on the stamper thinking it's going to come off easily, but it didn't, so I had to kind of manipulate it to get it off, but it worked. And I'm just shaping this to the size of my nail. Again, I had already put my yellow stopper on and let it dry a little bit. But I thought these colors did work well together. I wanted to use these finger paints polishes in different ways because they are beautiful holographic polishes. I love this stencil design. It's very pretty. I have so many in my arsenal. You all guys know, if you watch my videos, previous videos, you know that. Here I'm trying to snip the ends of the decal, the foil, nail art foil, so it can lay flatter on my nail. That's what I was doing there. I didn't show you every little thing, but, and I'm applying the peel off base coat on top because it's a water-based polish to apply it, and then it keeps it from crinkling. Here's the one I'm applying to my nail, my thumbnail. Because these are coming from the stencils, these are a little bit easier because the cleanup is so much better because you're using a clear top coat to make the stencil a little bit bigger, or the decal bigger. to apply on your nail. The cleanup is not bad at all. I like doing it this way. This is one way of doing it. And just capping that free edge. My nails are growing back, y'all. Now I'm placing the clear top coat on the nail so I can go ahead and put these little glitters on. I thought these glitters were so pretty, and they, like I said, they came from the paparazzi set. And I do have a video about what's in my nail arsenal and where I show that. Aren't those pretty? I realized after I did the left thumb that I should have done my organization of my glitters a little bit better. And then too, on this particular decal, you can see the areas where it was more clumpy with the polish. It looks like blobs of polish, but I kept rolling with it. This is the completed hand on my right. This hand is much better organized and done. Again, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.